Whenever I go to Chinese restaurants, I always have the Get Gai Lan. It's one of my favorite side dishes. This is super easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients: vegetable oil, salt, and oyster sauce. Boil your baby Gai Lans for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove, pour some oyster sauce, and you're done. Lan is very delicious if you never had it. Really crispy and crunchy. It's like a mild broccoli, is how I would describe it. To make it even more easier, I did buy baby Gai Lan. They are going to be not as thick, and so they're going to be easier to cook, easier to prep too. You don't have to cut through all the stock. Sometimes the end of Gai Lan, it's so big that it takes a long time to cook, or it doesn't cook evenly. And number two, it's like when you bite into it, it's kind of like a woody taste. And then sometimes you have to take a peeler and shave off all the woody part. With just 3 ingredients, you can make this. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add salt, vegetable oil, cook it for like 3 to 4 minutes top because you don't want to overcook it. Then you drain it, pour the oyster sauce over it. Enjoy. Jam-packed with the crunch.